Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. First of all, congratulations for making it this morning to watch this video live. Okay, I'm not able to be with you on Google Meet today because I have to go to the hospital. Okay, so I can only be here with you on YouTube. Okay, so please give your focus and pay attention. This video will be as long as about 20 to 30 minutes, I think. Okay, I want to discuss the question I gave you first last week. This is on page 88. Okay, page 88. So please take out your exercise book and check your answers. Okay, page 88. I gave you this homework last week. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Okay, I already discussed this question with you, right? So it has to do with the cost price. The cost price of an ice cream is 60 cents and the profit to be obtained is 30 cents. So first of all, you need to find out how much should he sell the ice cream for. So your selling price equals your cost price plus the profit. Okay, when you start a business, you want to have profit. So the cost price here is 60 cents and the profit to be obtained is 30 cents. So you should sell your ice cream at 90 cents. Okay, harga jualan sama dengan harga cost tambah untung. So harga cost 60 cents, untung 30 cents, harga jualan sepatutnya 90 cents. Then you will make a profit. Calculate the sales for 50 ice creams. So one ice cream selling at 90 cents. So 50 ice cream, you just take 50 times 90 cents. Okay, 50 times 90 cents, you will get, okay, there are two zeros, so I put two zeros behind. 5,945. Change to ringgit. Now 1 ringgit is 100 cents. So 4,500 cents, you divide 100 bagi 100. Okay, so move 2 times to the left because you divide. So you get 45 ringgit. Okay, for the total sales. Okay, question B. One Salma sold a house for 420,000 and earned a profit of 5%. Okay, what is the cost price of the house? So we take 5%. We need to find out the profit first. So 5% of the house price, 420,000. Okay, so 5% you put it over 100, tukar kepada pecahan. Of means times here, 420,000. And then we simplify it. Cross two zeros here, cross two zeros here. Okay, it must be equal. 2 zeros on your left, 2 zeros on your right. And then 5 times 4,200. Okay, 5 times 4,200, you get 21,000. Okay, 21,000. Now this is the profit. Okay, the question says that 5% is a profit. So this 21,000 is a profit, untung dia. The question asking for cost price. So harga cost dia berapa? So cost price equals selling price minus profit. Okay, harga cost sama dengan harga jualan tolak keuntungan. So harga jualan is 420,000. Keuntungan is 21,000. So you minus it, you will get 399,000. So that is the cost price. Okay, question C. Are you okay so far? Okay, the incomplete invoice on your right shows the order made by Encik Firdaus. Calculate the amount to be paid by him if the supplier gives him a 10% discount. Okay, first of all, we need to find the total of the items first. So unit 20 sport shoes. This is price per unit, 80 ringgit. So you need to take 20 times 80 ringgit. Okay, 20 times 80 ringgit, we get 1,600. That is for the shoes. And then for sportswear, 120 ringgit per unit times 30. Okay, 30 unit darab 30. So 30 times 120 ringgit, you get 3,600. And then find the total here. 1,600 plus 3,600. You get 5,200 ringgit. Okay, this is the total price. But the supplier, pembekal, bagi 10% discount. So how much does he have to pay? Now the total percentage is always 100%. Okay, jumlah peratus. Tolak 10% yang discount yang pembekal bagi. Jadi dia hanya perlu bayar 90%. He only has to pay 90%. So how much is 90%? We take 90% of the total price here, 5,200. Okay, so 90, put it over 100. Off is times 5,200. So potong 2 sifar di kiri, potong 2 sifar di kanan. 90 kali 52. You get, I should write here, 4,680 ringgit. So this is the amount he has to pay after 10% discount. Okay, although this video is playing live, but you can pause the video, alright? You can pause the video, take a break, drink something, and then continue later. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Question D. Kalai reloaded his prepaid card for 50 ringgit. 6% service tax was charged. What is the total cost of the prepaid card? Okay, so you have to pay 50 ringgit for the prepaid card, and you have to plus another 6% of service tax, and then find the total cost. So again, the full percentage is 100%. Okay, jumlah peratus. But here you have to pay service tax of 6%. Cukai perkhidmatan tambah 6%. So jumlah kena bayar 106%. So we take 106% times the 50 ringgit. So 106, put it over 100. Off is times 50 ringgit. So this one you can cross 10 left and right. This one is divide 10. Okay, divide 10. I divide 10 here, I get 10.6. 10.6 times 5. 10.6 times 5, I get 53 ringgit. So total cost he has to pay for the reload card is 53 ringgit. 50 ringgit for the credit, 3 ringgit for the service tax. Okay, question E. A factory owner took a loan for 1 million ringgit from the bank. An interest rate of 8% per year was imposed. Calculate the total amount to be paid for 2 years. So the formula here is the amount or the capital. Okay, the amount times the interest rate times the number of years. Okay, jumlah dia darab kadar faedah darab jumlah tahun. So this is 1 million. Amount is 1 juta. If you still remember, there are 6 zeros in a million. Rate is 8% and 2 years, so times 2. So a million, 8% you change to fraction, 8 over 100. So we cross to 0 at the 100 and cross to 0 here. So we still have 10,000. Okay, 10,000 times 8. 10,000 times 8 is 80,000. You times 2, you get 160,000. Okay, but this is the interest. Ini hanya faedah sahaja. We need to find the total amount. So we need to plus the loan that he borrows from the bank. Okay, kena tambah lagi jumlah yang dia pinjam dari bank. So dia pinjam 1 juta plus the interest 160,000. You add up, you get 1,160,000. 1,160,000 ringgit. Question F. The diagram shows the selling price of a kitchen cabinet and a dryer. Puan Rohana paid 14,742 ringgit for the purchase of the two goods. What is the percentage of discount for the dryer? Okay, first we need to find out the price for the cabinet first. It's 12,380 ringgit, but it comes with a 10% discount. So find the actual price first. Now again, full percentage peratus penuh 100, tolak 10% discount, kamu hanya perlu bayar 90%. So find out this 90% first of the price 12,380 ringgit. So 90 you put it over 100 of its times the price tag. So the top and the bottom can cross 1 0, and then the bottom left and right can cross 1 0. So 9 times 1,238. Okay, I get 11,142 ringgit. Now this is the price for the kitchen cabinet. Okay, so now the question tells us that she paid a total of 14,000 for two items, two goods. So we take the total price that she paid, 14,000, jumlah yang dia bayar, tolak harga kabinetnya ini, we minus the price of the cabinet, 11,142, then we get 3,600. Now this 3,600 is the price of the dryer. Okay, it's the price of the dryer that she paid for. So now we can find out how much is the discount given. Okay, so harga asal, the original price is 4,500. This is the dryer, right? Minus the price that she paid for, you get 900. That means she gets a discount of 900 ringgit. Okay, she gets a discount of 900 ringgit. Now the question is not asking for the amount, the question is asking for the percentage. Peratus discount itu. So what we do is, the percentage peratus equals the discount amount over the original price. So the discount is 900. Original amount is 4,500. Cross two zeros top and bottom. Divide 9 is 1. Divide 9 is 5. So 1 over 5. And then you times 100%. So this one divide 5. Divide 5 is 20. So 1 times 20, you get 20%. Okay, so she gets a discount of 20% for the dryer. Now to check your answer, let us just draw out my calculator here. Okay, the price of the dryer is 4,500. Okay, if you minus 20% discount, you get 900. The percentage is 900 equals 3,600. So you can see our answer is correct. Okay, not easy, but interesting question. Okay, if you don't understand, you can always rewatch the video until you understand. Okay, question G. The incomplete bill shows the record of several groceries. The price of a packet of milk powder is 2 times the price of a tin of biscuit. Okay, this one very important. I have to write this down first. 1 packet of milk powder, okay, M for milk powder, equals 2 tins of biscuits. 1 milk powder equals 2 tins of biscuit. Okay, 1 packet susu sama dengan 2 tin biskut. Find the price of a tin of biscuit and a packet of milk powder. Okay, what we do is we take the total here, jumlah dia, 206 ringgit and 50 cents minus the rice first. Tolakkan beras dulu. 14 ringgit and 50 cents. We get 192 ringgit. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so 192 ringgit is for the biscuits and the milk powder. Okay, jumlah biskut dan susu ialah 192 ringgit. Okay, now what we can see here is the total is 4 packets of milk powder and 12 tins of biscuits for 192 ringgit. Okay, jumlah 192 ringgit sama dengan 4 paket susu, tengok big sini, dan 12 tin biskut. Now we learn that 1 packet of milk powder equals 2 tins of biscuits. Okay, so 1M equals to 2B. So 4M, you times 2 tin of biscuit, you get 8 tins of biscuit. Okay, because the question tells us 1 packet of milk equals to 2 tins of biscuits. So here we have 4 packets of milk, we times 2, it equals 8 tins of biscuits. In price, okay, it's talking about the price. Okay, can you see that? The price, right? Milk powder equals to 2 times of biscuits. So we plus another 12 biscuits. So this is 192 ringgit. 8 tin of biscuit plus 12 tin is 20 tins of biscuits. So if 20 tins of biscuits equals 192 ringgit, 1 tin of biscuit is 122 ringgit divided by 20, you get 9 ringgit 60 cents. Okay, so 1 tin of biscuit price per unit, we write here 9 ringgit 60 cents. So now we can fill in the blanks. She bought 12 tins. So we times 12. We get 115 ringgit and 20 cents. Okay. So we take this amount, 192 ringgit for the biscuits and the milk powder. Okay, 192 is biscuits and milk powder. We minus the biscuit, 115.2. Okay, this is the biscuits. You minus it, we get 76 ringgit and 80 cents. This is for the milk powder. Okay, so we can write here 76 ringgit 80 cents for 4 packets. Okay, this is for 4 packets. So how much is 1 packet? Divide it by 4. Okay, bagi 4. So 1 packet of milk is 19 ringgit 20 cents. 19 ringgit 20 cents. So there we have it. Calculate a tin of biscuit. That is 9 ringgit 60 cents. Calculate a packet of milk powder. It is 19 ringgit 20 cents. Last question. The assets of Encik Hamid and Puan Shanti are 0.8 million and 1 million. Encik Hamid's liabilities are 234,000, which is half of Puan Shanti's liabilities. So who is richer? Okay, so we write down first. On our left, we have Encik Hamid. On our right, we have Shanti. Now, Encik Hamid, left side, 0.8 million left side. So, asset for Encik Hamid will be 0.8 million, which is 800,000. So, you just take 0.8 times a million, you get 800,000. Okay, move the decimal point to the right 6 times because 6 zeros. For Puan Shanti, she has a million of assets, so that is 6 zeros. Okay, now for liabilities, Encik Hamid's liabilities are 234,618 ringgit, which is half, separuh daripada Puan Shanti. So Puan Shanti ada berapa? Darab 2. Okay, because 234,618, that is half. So to find the full amount, you times 2, we get 469,236. Okay, question. Who is richer? Siapa lebih kaya? So ambil asset, tolak liability. Then you will know the answer. Okay, so for Encik Hamid, 800,000 asset minus the liability 234,618, we get 565,382 ringgit. Okay, I believe you can minus yourself. I'm trying to keep the video short. For Puan Shanti, $1 million of assets, tolak minus the liability 469,236 ringgit, we get 530,764 ringgit. So you compare who is richer. You look at the number. Which one is bigger? This is 565. This is 530. So Encik Hamid is richer. Okay, because the amount, his net worth is higher than Puan Shanti's net worth. Okay, so this is a discussion for the homework. Okay, I realize that many of you have not watched the video on the unit of time. So I just want to show you where can you watch it. Now you go to your Google Classroom, okay? You click on classwork, tekan classwork, and then you look at the topics on your left. Okay, find mathematics, that is our subject. Click on mathematics. Alright, So here we have it. I posted this, right? The introduction for Unit 6 time. Watch this video, okay? And many of you have not watched it. So you just click on the YouTube link, okay? Then you'll be brought to the video. Okay, so for the rest of the time, I want you to watch this video first. That is an introduction about time. Okay, introduction about time.
AM and
Okay, so go and watch this video on time. And tomorrow when I see you for Google Meet, we will start a new topic of time. And I would say that this topic is the hardest. Okay, this topic is the hardest for all the topics in Year 6 syllabus. So please take some time and watch this video, about 8 minutes. And I'll see you tomorrow in Google Meet. Okay, that's all for today. Congratulations if you stay this long until the end, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.